Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we deep dive into products that truly make life easier. And today, we've got a powerhouse for your home, the Schenley 19-in-1 Steam Mop. The best steam mop for tile floors and grout, hands down. This isn't just a mop. It's a complete steam cleaning solution designed to tackle everything from sticky kitchen messes to stubborn grout grime, without a drop of chemical cleaner. Let's start with what makes it a standout: fast heating. You don't need to wait around. Plug it in, and in just 15 seconds, it heats up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to break down grease, grime, and germs using just steam. You get 3 steam modes for different jobs, from light touch-ups to deep scrubbing. Now here's where the Schenley really earns its title, the detachable handheld steamer. With 19 different accessories included, you're not just cleaning floors. You're steaming your stove, your bathroom sink, glass surfaces, grout lines, even upholstery. The dual-rod design gives it stability and balance, making it feel like an extension of your arm, not a clunky machine you're dragging around. Speaking of comfort, this thing is lightweight, and with its 180-degree swivel head, it easily glides around furniture and into tight corners. You're not wrestling with it, you're guiding it, almost effortlessly. Let's talk runtime. You get up to 25 minutes of continuous steam with one tank. That's enough to clean a full kitchen or bathroom floor without having to refill. If you're doing a quick clean, it also comes with disposable pads. Perfect if you've got kids crawling around or pets licking the floor. All it needs is water, and your surfaces stay safe, shiny, and truly clean. So whether it's tiles, hardwood, glass, grout, or greasy countertops, the Schenley Steam Mop handles it all. It's more than just a mop, it's your all-in-one steamer for a cleaner, healthier home. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to ditch the chemicals and upgrade your cleaning game, the Schenley Steam Mop might just be your next best buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new product breakdown. See you next time.